So if you haven't seen by the title, today I'm going to be doing my makeup, but we're not just going to do any old basic boring little makeup tutorial walkthrough, whatever, how I do, you know, whatever. With this hat, this is actually a hat my dad got me for Christmas, and I haven't worn it, so we're going to put it to use. And we got our Funko Pops in here, and we have some names as well, because I don't have every single Harry Potter character in the mini Funko Pop, so yeah, I just had to work with what I had. But anyway, what I'm doing is I'm going to be doing the rest of my makeup. I got my eyebrows on, and each section of my makeup, I'm basically going to talk through it with it, but I'm going to do it as a different Harry Potter character. Okay, I don't want to ramble. My name's Courtney Lake. Make sure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. I'm not a professional when it comes to impressions. These impressions will probably suck, but I am a nerd. We're doing Blerd braid, and in fashion, I have my Harry Potter Primark robe on, baby. It has those weird little hoods too, like Dementor. All right, so we are randomly going to select the person out of it. I'm nervous. If there's any other Blerds in the building, comment down below. I don't know why I feel like I'm on like my American Idol audition or something. That's not foul. We'll like switch it up. One paper, one Funko Pop, one paper, one Funko Pop. Oh my god. Snape! Mr. Potter. Boom, lace wing fly. Boom, slang skin. Obviously. No, that's... Oh, okay. Oh, God, okay. You have your mother's eyes. I can't talk this frickin' slow. We're not starting off too well. Okay, next, we're gonna choose a piece of paper. Oh, I'm getting the hard ones. We got Voldemort. Bring the boy to me. Kill the spell. Avada Kedavra. Avada Kedavra. Avada Kedavra. Severus. Blood traitors alike. What is a blood traitor? Avada Kedavra. That's honestly all I can do. We got a Funko Pop now. I was suckling a blocked drain the other day, and I thought I saw a bit of apologies potion. Not being a bad boy again, are we, Harry? Almost all the bubbles were gone. I just made myself uncomfortable doing that. 100 points if it goes through her head. Next, piece of paper. Oh God, why did I put these hard ones in here? Bellatrix. You filthy half-blood. Oh my God, why am I shrieking? You filthy half-blood. How do you speak to them? Oh no. Molly Weasley. They flew your car to Surrey and back. I sound the same for everybody. But peaky. Janae, come on dear. Just because you can use magic, will you stop whipping your wands out for everything? Oh dear, Hermione, Fred, oh George, oh come on all of you. You put just 1 foot out of line. Not my daughter, you bitch. There you are. Fred, all right, pass that to Daddy. Oh, big box boy. We're cutting halfway through our crease. Next. Pop what I got. Luna. I hope there's pudding. Harry Potter, you look gone mad. I can see them too. You're just as sane as I am. Probably filled with marvels. Taking this shade. Good crumple-horn snorkack repellent. Mom always says things have a way of coming back to us in the end. Even if it's not the way we expected. Draco Malfoy. Potter, Potter, Potter. My father will hear about this. I could tell you stories about your father that curl even your greasy hair, boy. We're taking this shade right here with the same brush, Potter. Okay, we're gonna scratch the hat because I realize I'm not as skilled as I thought I was. And I'm just gonna do whatever the heck ones that I feel like I can get for the rest. So I did add this NYX Vivid to be boring again. I just literally did like a little line, and then I did put my NYX Gel Pot liner in the shade Jet Black on, and I used the Morph M165 brush. Well, what are those? What are those? No lace, no dodgy little colour. I look like my great Aunt Tessie. I smell like her too. Bloody hell, Hermione. Bloody hell, Hermione. She needs to get her priorities sorted. $52 for a touch of primer. Me mum's a witch. Dad's a muggle. Sheriff scared him when he found out. Stop, stop, stop. You're going to poke someone's eye out. And you're saying it wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Is that really what my hair looks like from the back? Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue and Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. Confunders. You're around, muggles. Can you tell me the proper function of a rubber duck? I will have order. But prove practice what can be completed. I love doing that. Oh. And neither will live while the other shall survive. Give me the cup. Hand me the cup. Oh, my dear boy, you have the grim. Oh, divination to broaden your minds. Dobby, 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 Dobby is a free elf. Ew. I feel like Nene when she's like, they're done. They're done. They're done. Alright, one at the ready, Harry. Brush at the ready, brush at the ready. I saw her for what she was. A freak. Did you put your name in that goblet, Harry? He said calmly. I'm on it. Come seek us where our voices sound. We cannot sing above the ground. Yeah. My sister, you saved her. And you helped. In this shade here. Distant is for champions and friends. This eyeshadow is for hoes and friends. Igor Karkaroff, they only drink single malt whiskey. I'm Fred. Geez, woman, you call yourself our mother. Is that a student? You don't mind if I use a cook's quill, do you? A boy of mere 12. I'm 14. I'm a what? You're a wizard, Harry. Wow, that was good. Oh, I went up there, did me piece, told him Buckbeak wouldn't hurt a fly. Come on, Father. Harry doesn't want to talk to us anymore. He's just too polite to say, away with you, creature! Enough of your bile. It's this orange shade. Itty, witty, baby. I killed Sirius Black. You coming to get me? Not my One-One. Oh, he senses my presence. I'm here, One-One. I'm here. Friends, you haven't spoken in weeks. Hermione. Water save. It's a bit icy at the top. What's a That's a narwhal. Call them creepy, sir. These are terrible. Okay, guys. Wow. That was terrible. And I suck. I thought I was going to be way better than that. As you can see, that was just a display of the reason why I have no friends. And why I have no man. Actually, I'm kidding. Who am I kidding? Why am I not wife? Because if I saw somebody doing that, I'd be like, that's the run right there. I need me a nerd in my life. Ooh. Nerds, comment below. Okay. Anyway, this is my finished look. I look like an alien right now. Like, ooh. I hope you guys had a good time. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go now to Trader Joe's, just like this. Cause why not? My name is Courtney. Be sure to subscribe because we are having fun here. We try and be like a little not boring. I mean, maybe that was super boring for you. Maybe it wasn't. I don't know. But you should subscribe. You should subscribe. Because, you know, I like doing Blerd breaks every now and then. So you want to subscribe because you don't want to miss the next Blerd break, okay? Harry's like, Expelliarmus! Come on, step up the game. You gotta start doing unforgivable curses, Harry. Like,